Actually, I've been living a kind of stressful moment in my life, and my wife decided to. She saw this, and she said, "Oh, you should, try it."
E quindi ho pensato fosse il momento giusto per prendere una pausa, disconnettermi completamente da tutto e da tutti, per ritrovare un po' una connessione con me, capire un po' che direzione deve prendere la mia vita e ritrovare un po' anche delle risorse che ho e che probabilmente ogni tanto dimentico di avere.
For my peace, for my interior peace, for my frenetic life, what I living for.
I'm starting to slow down and intake the energy of the place.
And it's completely different than something you are doing everyday life.
I feel much better already. I mean, because in this experience, you go hiking, you go feel the nature, and you feel, you touch it, you feel the sound. Not only the sound of people talking on the phones and this kind of things. You feel the sound, you hear the sound of water flowing. You feel the smell of flowers, things that obviously they are every day in your lives, but you just don't realize they are there because you have other problems, because you have other things in your mind, and now you see like all these things, they are here and they are beautiful, and just like take a time for them as well.
At first it was a little bit difficult to not get our phones, but once we start to realize the beauty that we have surrounding us, it's amazing. So I started really listening to myself and getting in touch with my inner thoughts, and it was amazing. But I do believe that in 5 days I won't need that anymore.
I've never been so relaxed in my entire life. So we don't have no one expecting us to do anything. No one is expecting a call from me, a message. I'm totally free, Because today, Margarita said something to us that's very true. She said, sometimes if you are very stressed, close your eyes and remember that time in the mountains. And I already can picture me doing this, like in the day very stressed. I can just remember a little bit from the days I had here, and I'm sure that this will be helpful.
Ho imparato, forse ho reimparato a condividere i momenti, perché quello che adesso uso sempre fare è ogni volta che c'è un silenzio prendere il telefonino e vagare per fatti miei. Inizialmente è stato obbligatorio non farlo e non mi sentivo molto a mio agio, invece già il secondo giorno è stato bellissimo, quindi la condivisione di piccolissime cose, un'osservazione, qualcosa da mangiare, da dividere, o non so, è stato veramente un recupero di contatto con persone tra l'altro sconosciute che dopo pochi giorni già sembra che le conosci da chissà quanto. Bellissimo, non accadeva da un bel po'.
It came just in the right time to me because I was in a point that I felt like I have to run somewhere and hide before people or everyday stuff. But the stone balancing, like putting a stone up to stone, taught me that I have to say goodbye to some things. And also I realized that I need nature in my life.
And there are a lot of things that are impossible. Like the experience we are having here, I'm having here. You cannot post this. You just have to experience this. So I think the major lesson is you have to live more.